Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy eSim that will work in Peru. Link and coupon will be in the description, alright? And open the description and click on eSim link and open this web page and write Peru and click on this and open new page. High-speed 4G, 5G data this eSIM and no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number. Instant activation under 5 minutes. Very good. Alright, and choose data. Unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited. And choose a speed plan, light or plus. I recommend plus. And select days. I select 30 days. And select amount eSIM. 1 on 10 or 20, alright, 20, 1, and click on buy it now. Open this page and write discount code, write ROAM tips and click on apply. And order discount ROAM tips $30. Very good. And click on Google Pay and buy SIM, or write email, write payment data and write billing address and click on buy now. Right, this good, and click on buy now. Open new page, buy eSIM and send your email address, eSIM QR code and activation instruction, and that's all. Bye bye.